Hello student, in this method we are going to start when interest on capital miss out. Sometime in a partnership firm, after preparing final account, it was realized that interest on capital miss out. In that case, this is error. An error can be rectified by passing rectification entry. What is double effect of interest on capital? So in standard 11 we have seen that interest on capital is an expense. So first effect of interest on capital, debited to P&L account, and second effect, add into capital. But in this method interest on capital miss out. So if we require or if we want to rectify this error, then this interest on capital add into the capital and debit it to P&L account. So first effect, interest on capital add into the capital, so it has plus sign, and due to interest on capital profit is going to be decreased, so it has minus. Let us understand a practical example which is given in our textbook, page number 31, exercise 7, means 3.7. I have read this exercise. Three partners are given. Ram, Rahim, issue. That capital is given on the date of 1st April 16, 60,000, 40,000 and 50,000. After the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of 6% interest on partner capital miss out. Write an entry for rectification of error. Right? So this error rectified by passing rectification entry, and before rectification entry we are required to make some calculation with the help of table. So student, here you are required to prepare table. First column, particular, Ram, Rahim, issue and total. Right? We have write capital of a partner capital. So here capital is given. Ram capital 60,000, Rahim capital 40,000, issue capital 50,000, total capital 1,50,000, right? And you are given that rate of interest on capital 6%. 6% interest on capital miss out. So here interest on capital calculate 6%, and it has plus sign. Why is plus sign? The interest on capital add into the capital. Add means capital increase. So 60,000 6%, 3,600, 40,000 6%, 2,400, and 50,000 6%, 3,000. Total interest on capital. So 1,50,000 6%, 9,000, right? Interest on capital. Second effect of interest on capital, debited to P&L account. And if you want to pass this adjustment, decrease in profit, and decrease in profit minus sign, decrease in profit, total profit decreased by 9,000, and this 9,000 divided between partner in their profit sharing ratio. Student, here profit sharing ratio is not given, so we have to assume equal ratio, 1:1:1. So 9,000 divided by 3, each partner get 3,000, minus 3,000, minus 3,000, minus 3,000, and total minus 9,000, right? And now difference, plus 3,600 minus 3,000 plus 600, here minus 600, dash dash. Now decided effect, rectification entry. So you can see that due to this adjustment, partner Ram plus 600, so plus 600 means credited, and Rahim minus 600 means debited. Students, you think that why is debited and credited, right? So be careful here. Previously interest on capital 3,600 not to be added into capital, 3,600 not to be added. That means 3,600 not received, and due to this adjustment 3,000 less from capital. So finally Ram capital increase by rupees 600, and capital increase, so capital account credited. and here Rahim capital 600 decrease. So capital account debited. So what is journal entry? Rahim capital account debit. Rahim's capital account debit 600 to Ram's capital account 600. Students, this is rectification entry and no need to write any narration or name, right? So this is rectification entry. This type of question asks for 3 marks in board examination section C, question number 21. Now let us understand another example of same method, page number 18, illustration 7. So open your textbook, page number 18. Are you getting 18? Okay, this is page number 18. Here 3 partners are given: Ram, Lakshman, Sita. Capital is given 40,000, 30,000 and 80,000. So capital 40,000, 30,000, 80,000. Total capital 1,50,000. After preparation or after distribution of profit, it was realized that charging of 12% interest on capital is out. 12% interest. So interest on capital has plus sign at the rate of 12%. 40,000 12%, 4,800. 30,000 12%, 3,600, and 80,000 12%, 9,600. Total interest on capital. Total interest on capital 18,000. Understand? So interest on capital plus sign. Now decreasing profit. So what is total profit decrease? 18,000. 18,000 divided in their profit sharing ratio. So here profit sharing ratio not given in the example. So we have to assume equal ratio. 1:1:1. So 18,000 divided by 3. So each partner get 6,000, minus 6,000, minus 6,000, minus 6,000 and minus 18,000. Now take difference. Right? So what will be difference? First partner minus 1,200. Second partner minus 2,400. And third partner plus 3,600 dash. Right? So you can see that 2 partners have minus profit. Minus means debit. Means Ram debit, Lakshman debit. To Sita's capital account. So journal entry, rectification entry. Ram's capital account debit 1,200. Lakshman capital account debit. Lakshman capital account debit 2,400 to Sita's capital account. Sita's capital account. How much? 3,600. Understand? So this is rectification entry. Okay, thank you.